Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to enable and customize Now Brief in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So actually this is quite easy. At first go to the system settings and tap the Galaxy AI. Scroll all the way down to the Now Brief. Tap that, and here as you can see they have a lot of things. Content include. Tap that, and here tap what content you want to include in your Now Brief. Select every single application you want to have. Then go back and select, if you want, expand Now Brief without unlocking. When you tap the Now Brief in the Now bar on your lock screen, you'll be able to view full Now Brief without unlocking your phone. We can, for example, check that. Now we can tap and unlock our phone and unlock it. Here now, if we unlock that, we can find on the home screen Now Brief. Let's tap that, and here Start Now Brief. Here, as you can see, we do have the cloudy afternoon, some things about our channels, about our things, and about our events, etc. If we tap this gear icon, it will redirect us to the Now Brief settings. And how to bring the Now Brief to the lock screen now. It might be quite complex, but I will try to tell you the best. At first, go to the settings, back again, and now here go to the main menu of your settings. Here now scroll down to the lock screen and AOD, and here tap Now bar. Here enable Now Brief. Get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions that change throughout the day. Now Brief stays on the Now bar until you tap open. It will appear again the next time the content is available. We can disable that, enable that back again using just a simple tap. Apart from that, we can go back, and here we have the lock screen AOD back again. Here now we can tap the secure lock settings, enter our PIN code, and disable or enable this option, of course, just to see the Now Brief in the lock screen. I don't recommend to have this enabled. Now let's unlock our phone. As you can see, now we don't have any new our informations because I've searched this, but in a few minutes or hours we will have the Now Brief in here, like this. As you can see, our Galaxy can read it aloud.
Have a special day. It's currently 17 degrees Celsius in Warsaw with a high of 17 and a low of 10 degrees. You have an event today.
And actually, that's how all this Now Brief works. That's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.